Alright, yes sir, Rise and Grind Man, back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. Alright, this is a continuation of the CV axle that I did. Now I'm doing the purge valve on a 2005 Mazda 3, I'm sorry. Mazda 3 2.0. Purge valve, we get it. Pull that up. Where is it? Okay, we got this end right here. Get some light. Gotta take this end off, follow it. It goes right back. Purge valve. Gotta remove that. Alright, this is what the part looks like. It stretches down. This is what we're looking at here. We gotta push these tabs in order for it to come on out. That's the tough part right there. Get that part number. So what we're gonna do here, I already did it, but I want to show you this little grommet attached here. I took a pry bar and I just pried it off. Now I'm gonna get that in right there off with some pliers. And then we got the connector right there. Gotta disconnect that. Alright, now we're gonna work on this end and see if we can get it up. Man, that was a bitch, but I got it out. What I did was, see, I got it twisted, so I twisted it down so I can get this side, the left side, then I twist it back up, get the other, catch the other side, right side. Man, had to do it a few times, but I got it. Alright, now we're gonna swap it out. That's it, man. Quick repair. Until next time, the Pull-Up King.